How to fund your 1xBet account using UPI, PayTm or Google Pay. First of all, open your 1xBet app and log into your account. Next, tap on the menu tab and go to the deposit section in the top right corner where you will find multiple payment options. Choose UPI as your preferred payment method if you want to use apps like Google Pay or PhonePe, or select PayTm if you prefer that wallet. After selecting UPI, you will see a partial payment address or QR code. Open your UPI app such as Google Pay and either scan the QR code or enter the payment address manually. Enter the amount you want to deposit, then confirm the payment by entering your UPI PIN. The money will transfer instantly and your 1xBet account balance will update within seconds. If you choose PayTm, select PayTm wallet in the deposit section. You will be redirected to the PayTm app and asked to log in. Once logged in, confirm the amount to add your 1xBet account and authorize the payment. Your balance will update quickly, allowing you to start placing bets immediately. Always check that your UPI or PayTm account has sufficient balance before making a deposit to avoid failed transaction. Also, make sure your payment apps are linked with your bank account and verified properly. And that's it. Now you know how to fund your 1xBet account using UPI, PayTm or Google Pay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.